Hello, in this video I want to show you how you can get the logic analyzer that's shipped with the eBlocks kits up and running. Let's just have a look at the hardware that I've got. In front of you, you can see that I've got a PIC upstream board, combo board on ports A and B, and I've got a digital temperature sensor there. And this is the logic analyzer that's shipped with eBlocks. It's a small device connected via USB there into my computer, and there's a 20-way IDC connector, and you can just connect the logic analyzer to any of the eBlocks ports and just make sure that the little tab there lines up with the tab on the circuit board print. And if I put that on port A there, that's how you set up the logic analyzer. And what I've got in the hardware is a little counter program. It just puts a number out to each of the ports and it counts up. And on the hardware you can see, it's hard to see, but the LEDs are just flashing here in sequence. So before we look at that, let me just show you where you get the software from. The software comes from Sigrock, and let me just put that down for you. So it's a free piece of software called Sigrock. If you go to the downloads page, the software you want is called PulseView, and for my computer it happens to be this one, PulseView 0.4.2, and you download that. And once you've installed it, then you are presented with the software. It scans for appropriate devices on the USB port, and it sets up your hardware for you. So this is the software, and it knows that it's got 8 bits there, and once it's up and running, you basically just go run. And let's zoom out a bit, and I've got a counter here, and you can stop that. I've got a counter, and you can see the counter waveform there as well. Now you can also decode signals like I²C, and what I'll do is just load a different program and show you that as well. Right, I've downloaded a different program. This is a digital temperature and humidity program. I've got a sensor. Well, let me show you the hardware first. So I've got a sensor on port C, a combo board there that we're not using, and what you do is you just move the logic analyzer over to port C and plug it in, and I'm just displaying the temperature as a single number on the graphical display, so you can see it going up and down when I put my finger on it, so we know that's working. And if we look at the software, we can run that and stop it, and we've got a sample rate of 200 kilohertz there, and you can see the information coming up on the pins. D4 and data 4 and data 5 are used for SDA and SCL respectively, and if you press that little icon there and select I²C, so double click on that and then click again here, we'll set SDA to bit 4 and SCL to bit 5, and you can see that the analyzer is now decoding the packet for you. So it says it's at address 44, and if you looked at the data sheet of the digital temperature sensor, these would be all the bits of information on temperature and humidity that would be transmitted. So you can see the logic analyzer is a really useful way of looking at what's happening in your program and in your circuit, and it gives you an alternative view of how your program is running. And this little analyzer is really very capable. Okay, thanks for watching.